Been having problems with my vacuum cleaner switch, so I decided to replace it. This is a Hoover UH70120. To replace the switch, remove your attachment, disconnect your hose. You're going to want to remove the screw here, 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 and here. That screw, the longer one, belongs here. Remove your canister. Once you have that out, you can remove the unit that holds the switch. Once that's done, remove the two screws in the bottom and separate the unit. I'm using just a standard screwdriver. I've got my unit apart here. You can see here is the link between the vacuum cleaner and the switch. And there's your switch. And there's your link. Here's the new switch. So at this point, you're going to disconnect those two electrical contacts there and remove the switch and pull it out. I was able to kind of pull it out with my bare hands. So I'm going to disconnect these two wires, take the switch out of this housing here, and put it all back together. You can see the housing that holds the switch has those two little clips on it, so I'm going to take a screwdriver, stick it under there, and remove the switch from the Hoover housing. So you can see I'm about to take this switch out of here. Just going to push up on it. Take my new switch, put it in the housing, and now you want your connectors to face down. Put your switch back in the vacuum cleaner after you attach your wires here. Set that back in there. And there you have it. Reroute your wires, screw everything back together, and be good to go. Here we go, I've rerouted the wire. Now I'm going to take this part. Well, don't forget your spring. Your spring just sets there. Slide everything back together. Make sure that your piece doesn't fall into the the wrong orientation as you close it. Now you can see that's backwards there, so if you guys can't get it to close, make sure that this thing is turned. That's correct. The square piece goes there, the rounded piece goes there. And there you have it. Put all your screws back in, and you've got a functioning switch. Been having problems with my vacuum cleaner switch, so I decided to replace it. This is a Hoover UH70120. To replace the switch, remove your attachment, disconnect your hose. You're going to want to remove the screw here, here